When installing the two-piece spoiler kit, you're going to need a drill, an extension, a Phillips bit, and it's recommended to use a primer. We use 3M Primer 94 and a microfiber cleaning cloth. In your kit, you will be receiving 2 spoiler end pieces and 6 screws. Okay, now this isn't a necessary step, but we do recommend using 3M primer on anything you're using with adhesive. So we're going to go ahead and get us a little bit of primer. Go ahead and wipe that primer on both sides in these 3 locations. This is going to be where your 3M tape is sticking. Your next step, you're going to want to go ahead and prep your two-piece spoiler. And by doing that, we're going to rip off the 3M. Just go ahead and throw it behind you. That's good. Once you have that prep, the 3M tape is off, ready to be stuck on, your primer's on, you have your screws ready and your drill by your side. You can go ahead, make sure it's lined up, all the holes, like so. Using your drill and your tap screws, you can go ahead